Okay, this is page 437, and to give you some perspective here, this is the anterior view of the forearm and the hand. Okay, know that the muscles that you find in the forearm here on the anterior side are going to be responsible mostly for flexion of the wrist or the fingers. Okay, so we'll start with this one. Well, pronator teres is going to help with pronation, so palms down. Okay, next one in, flexor carpi radialis. Okay, so the answer is in the word. It's a flexor muscle. It goes to the radial side down to the carpal bone areas. So let's isolate it so you can see. So medial epicondyle down to and crosses the carpal bones there. Okay, so on the radial side. So flexor carpi radialis. Okay, the next one, if you work your way down, is the palmaris longus, and if you notice, it has this palmar aponeurosis. Okay, the palmaris longus has the palmar aponeurosis. Okay, it's isolated so you can see. So in general, your flexor muscle is attached to the medial epicondyle, and the extensor muscles will attach to the lateral epicondyle. Okay, so this gives you a view of what this muscle looks like. All right, the next one, as we work our way down, is the flexor carpi ulnaris. Okay, so it does flexion, and it crosses at the carpals, and it's on the ulna side. So flexor carpi ulnaris. Okay. Okay, now if we peel away this layer, then we're going to expose this guy, the flexor digitorum superficialis. Okay, flexor digitorum superficialis. So it's going to help flex the digits, your fingers. Has multiple connecting points on the forearm, radius, ulna, and humerus. Okay. So here's that hook of the hamate, and you can see one of the flexor digitorum tendons that come in. That hook of the hamate will help keep that in place. All right. On page 439, okay, let's look at the supinator. See if we can find it. Okay, supinator muscle is there. That helps supinate or bring the wrist, the palm up. Okay, the word pollicus has to do with thumb. So our flexor pollicus longus. Okay, let's isolate that one. So it's going to help with flexion of the thumb. Flexor pollicus longus. Okay. All right, let's remove some muscles And here is the flexor digitorum profundus. Okay, also helps with flexion of the digits. It's isolated. Okay, flexor digitorum profundus. Okay, in the hand, we have these muscles in between the metacarpals called the lumbricals. Okay, so those are the lumbricals. We have a bunch of them in between all the metacarpal bones.